Okay, so today I'm gonna do something a little different. So these I've never seen before. These are Cookie Run mystery figure. Just meet the adorable Cookie Run mystery figures, which are like you get some various characters from the Cookie Run kingdom based on the artwork. And here are some of the figures that you can collect in this set, including 3 chases that are legendary and ancient. Of course, I would be interested if I could find one of these. Right now, let's just open them up to see which one I get here. Oh, wait a minute. Hold up. Oh, hold up. Wait a minute. What's in there? There's no way. I found her on the first box, first baggie Sea Fairy cookie. I can't believe I actually pulled her. It was actually the 3 chases. I have her right here. Isn't that beautiful? Okay, let's have a close-up look at her. See a bit of the water gushing as her hair. Charming, isn't it? And of course, it's a keychain. You can hang it. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Really nice. That was worth. That was not bad. It was not bad. Up now we have baggie number 2. Let's see, who do we get here? Not the chase, but oh, we got a gnome. It's a garden gnome. I got gnomed from Cookie Run in this collection. Next, bag number 3. Oh, there's someone else in there. That is not a gnome. And it's a bear. Let's get him out of here. We actually have gotten a chase and 2 different characters. Which was a sugar gnome and a bear jelly. I was really hoping to find a cookie in here. And then Sea Fairy, so she's not alone. Oh, we got something here. That's store-bought shark cookie. Look at that. We got shark sherbet cookie. That is cool. We got something here. Let's recap. We got sorbet shot cookie, Sea Fairy cookie, sugar gnome, and bear jelly. The 4 different characters. This is actually really nice. And no duplicates, which I really like. Now tell me, was this worth under $12?